Hello, I'm Lee Betchley, certified hypnotherapist and master NLP practitioner. Since my early childhood, I have experienced the wonderful world of lucid dreaming. I discovered lucid dreaming as it occurred naturally in my sleep. It became the way I coped with childhood nightmares. While dreaming, I became aware of something that would say, "This is a dream." And I consciously knew that if I were to open my eyes, I'd find myself safe in my bed. Doing this helped me to face my fears because I realized that in the dream world, the fear is real, but the danger was not. So my dreams gave me a sense of courage. And now I'd like to assist you in your efforts for a more empowering dream experience. Lucid dreaming is an awareness that you are dreaming while you are dreaming. It is a skill. It is an ability that you can obtain with practice and a strong desire to do so. Now, the time it takes to develop this skill really depends on you. One of the prerequisites for lucidity is having an excellent dream recall. If you cannot remember your dreams, you could have a lucid dream and simply not remember. Your dream recall is an important way of recognizing your dream patterns and your dream symbols while they are occurring. The first step to recalling your dreams is to take them seriously. Now you can start by keeping a dream journal. I have kept a dream journal for nearly 20 years. There is always one on my nightstand with a pen. Now when you first begin, make sure you write everything down, even the fragments. Dream fragments may help you recall more of your dream later. Other factors that will increase your lucidity are practicing, and you must practice diligently. You can also use dream help devices, such as this recording, on a regular basis. Reading books about dreams and doing mental exercise help you to remember and help you to recognize you are dreaming. Now you know the power of your imagination. Think how much more powerful your imagination is in dreaming. Your dream world is just as vivid, just as rich as your perception during your waking state. Studies have shown that your body is responding physically to your dream events as if they were actually happening. So imagine being able to rehearse an important speech. What about asking your boss for a raise? Practicing an audition? Or practice your golf swing so vividly that your brain would respond identically during the real event? How about the possibility of problem solving, self-empowerment, self-healing, and yes, even transcendence? You spend 1/3 of your life sleeping, 1/3 of your life sleeping. Wouldn't you like to use that 1/3 of your life to benefit the other 2/3? Your ability to be lucid provides you with a unique opportunity to interact consciously with your unconscious mind and create dynamic improvements in your life. The benefits and the sheer enjoyment of lucid dreaming make the dedication to practice worth every single moment. So now make yourself comfortable and prepare to wake up and dream.